Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. And in this video, we're going to talk about orders. In orders, you'll see orders, ad gallery, price cheat sheet, and diesel price history. When selecting orders, it's going to drop down all orders that you've placed in the system. These orders give you the customer's information and phone number so that you can reach out for follow-up, as well as the current status of their order. You'll see 21-day estimate, ready for delivery, out for delivery, pickup, not paid in full, pay commission, and completed. Ad gallery. This hosts all photos for containers. If you need a picture of a specific container type or size for your ads, this is an amazing place to look, and it's a great tool and resource for you to use while posting ads. You can save these to your computer, or you can keep them on here and use them as you need them. Price cheat sheet. This is a tool that we use to break down price by zip code. So you'll select the container type and size. Go ahead and select view. This is going to bring up the zip code of the unit, the warehouse it's pulling from, the current price in the system. This makes posting ads on Craigslist very easy. It helps you pinpoint the best zip code as far as price point, and that's something that you can put in your ads to negotiate the sale. Diesel price history. This helps you understand delivery cost as well as how to explain that to your customer. So when you're going through the pickup price versus delivery, explain to them, the fluctuation of diesel and how that can impact their sale and the way that the container is delivered and costs.